Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add order tracking page on Shopify. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. Here's step-by-step guide to add an order tracking page to your Shopify store. First, create a new page. Go to the Shopify admin, go to online store, and tap on pages. Click add page in the right corner. In the title page, use title like track your order or order tracking. But for me, I will choose track your order. Then add a description. Include instructions such as enter your order number and email to track your order. In the right side, leave the visibility settings as visible or schedule it for later. After that, click Save. Now, add order tracking code. Edit the page content. While still on the Track Your Order page editor, click the Show HTML button. Tap on this and add the following tracking form code. Paste the code or you can use it. You can replace apps/tractor/track with the URL of the tracking app or feature you're using if different. Now customize the text. Update placeholders and button text to match your store's tone. Then click Save. Step 3. Integrate a tracking app. It's optional but recommended. If you want a more advanced tracking system, go to Shopify App Store, search this, and then in the search box, search for order tracking apps like Tractor or Parcel Panel order tracking or Aftership order tracking, but the popular option is Tractor. I will choose Tractor. Then install the app and configure it based on the setup instructions provided by the app developer. Step 4. Add the page to navigation. Go to your online store, tap on navigation, and then select the main menu or footer menu depending on where you want the link. Click add menu item and name the link, example, track your order. Then select the pages option. Then choose the track your order page you created. After that, click add and save menu. Then test the tracking page. Go to your store again, visit your store and navigate to the track your order page. Tap on the online store, tap on the page. Now tap on track your order. Enter a test order number, the email to ensure everything's work. Then adjust the design or functionality if needed. And last, style the tracking page. It's optional again. Use custom CSS to match the page with your store's theme. Edit the theme code under Online Store. Tap on the Themes and tap Customize for further design adjustments. Now, your customers can easily track their orders directly from your Shopify store. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.